Morning for everybody. Pronunciation workshop. The monkey was buried. The New York Times is the most important newspaper in the world. The mouse took the cheese through the mouth hole. The knowledge of languages is the doorway to wisdom. Yesterday, I took to London to represent my company. In the back garden, I saw a rabbit eating a carrot. This car can be purchased for only $150 per month. Don't give up. Keep going. Because the victory that way you is great. The bad mirror is an old friend. Time passes fast, and you should not was said, study now and tomorrow you will be a successful person. The pencil is on the table next to my notebook. He's absent from class today because he woke up sick. A true friend is who close to you when the rocks of the world abandon you. That movie was the world movie that I've seen in a long time. Sometimes the sky is not the limit. Sometimes it's just the way.